Hi guys, welcome to Advanced Spreadsheet Concepts. Let's start with consolidation, a useful tool to summarize or analyze data spread across different sources, i.e. worksheets or workbooks. Consolidation. Consolidation in Excel refers to the process of combining data from multiple worksheets or workbooks into a single worksheet. It is useful when data is spread across different sources and want to summarize or analyze it in one place. Data consolidation function takes data from a series of worksheets or workbooks and summarizes it into a single worksheet that can be updated easily. It is a very useful tool required for data analysis. Steps to perform data consolidation in Excel. 1. Prepare your data. One must ensure that the data to be consolidated is organized in a consistent format across all sheets or workbooks. The data ranges should have identical labels or headers. 2. Open a new worksheet. Start with a new worksheet where one wants to consolidate the data. 3. Go to the Data tab. Click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. Let's continue with steps of consolidation. Steps to perform data consolidation in Excel. 4. Select Consolidate. In the Data Tools group, click on Consolidate. This opens the Consolidate dialog box. 5. Choose the function. In the function box, select the function that one want to use for consolidation, e.g., sum, average, count, etc. 6. Add data ranges. Click on the Add button to select the data ranges to be consolidated. If the data is in different worksheets or workbooks, click Browse to find and select them. Continuing with steps of consolidation. 7. Use labels. If the data ranges include labels, check the appropriate boxes for top row, left column, or create links to source data if one wants Excel to automatically update the consolidated data when the source data changes. 8. Consolidate. Once one has added all the data ranges, click OK. Excel will consolidate the data into the new worksheet. Now let's assume scenario where consolidation can be useful for analysis in business organization. The result of analysis is used by top-level management to achieve the targets or an objective of the organization. Example scenario. Let's imagine that sales data for different regions are in separate worksheets. One can consolidate all the regional data into a single worksheet to get a total or average sales figure. Sheet 1, North Region Sales. Sheet 2, South Region Sales. Sheet 3, East Region Sales. Sheet 4, West Region Sales. Now let's practically use the consolidation tool to actually analyze the sales data. Here is the sample sales data of different regions. Observe it carefully. Observe all worksheets have the same labels as column headers. The sales data is for 3 products: Product A, Product B, Product C. The sales figure record for January, February, and March. The sales is recorded in 4 different regions: South, North, East, and West. To use Consolidation tool, click on the Data tab and then click on Consolidation option. Before selecting Consolidation option, add one new worksheet and named it Total Sales to store the consolidated result. Now clicking on Consolidation option displays the dialog box. Carefully study this dialog box. Here is the list of functions that can be used to consolidate data distributed in multiple worksheets. In this video, we are going to use sum to get total sales and average function to get average sales. Add data ranges. Click on the Add button to select the data ranges to be consolidated. If the data is in different worksheets or workbooks, click Browse to find and select them. Add data ranges. Click on the Add button to select the data ranges to be consolidated. If the data is in different worksheets or workbooks, click Browse to find and select them. If the data ranges include labels, check the appropriate boxes for top row, left column, or create links to source data if one wants Excel to automatically update the consolidated data when the source data changes. Here is the total sales report of sales data of different regions combined to analyze it. These are the individual sales report of each region. Now click on plus icon to add new worksheet to get the average sales report and named it as average sales. Now again choose the consolidation option. However, this choose the average function and same steps is to followed. Here is average sales data of all the regions. You can verify the average sales report. Write a formula in a cell to compute average. It is simply total sales divided by 4. Since 4 regions, please do use in practical scenarios in real-life applications. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. It is essential to motivate the create. Thank you guys for watching the video.